A 40-question English quiz for real language skills. Harder than it looks. Go for it. Pick the correct option. Answer D. Individual. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Incorrect. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer B. Probably. Find the best synonym of intuitive. Answer D. Instinctive. Which word is a synonym of distribute? Answer C. Share out. Pick the opposite of confuse. Answer A. Clarify. What is the opposite of cull? Answer B. Preserve. Choose the plural of secretary. Answer A. Secretaries. What is the plural form of vortex? Answer D. Vortices. What word best completes the sentence? Answer C. It is high time he went to the doctor. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer C. Had I known the warning, I would have acted differently. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer D. The movie was hilarious. I laughed the whole time. What does fall flat mean? Answer C. Fail. What does fit as a fiddle mean? Answer A. Healthy. Pick the antonym of extract. Answer D. Insert. What is the opposite of controversial? Answer A. Fair. What is the opposite of debilitate? Answer D. Strengthen. Choose the correct past form of cleave. Answer A. Clove. What is the past form of drink? Answer B. Drank. Which is a synonym of instance? Answer D. Example. Pick a synonym of feature. Answer B. Characteristic. Choose a synonym of equal. Answer D. Same. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Finally. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer C. Legendary. Pick the correct option. Answer B. Brightness. Which option is correct? Answer D. Cultivate. What is the plural of fragility? Answer C. Fragilities. What is the plural of mosquito? Answer B. Mosquitoes. What is the plural of certainty? Answer D. Certainties. What is the plural of charisma? Answer C. Charismata. Fill the gap. Answer D. She promised she would call me later. Can you guess the missing word? Answer C. Provided that it doesn't rain, we can go for a walk. What word best completes the sentence? Answer B. If he reads the letter, he would know the truth. What does bring to light mean? Answer C. Reveal. What does read the room mean? Answer B. Sense mood. What does speak out of turn mean? Answer C. Interrupt. So close now. Just 4 questions remaining. Choose past form of beseech. Answer B. Besought. What is the past form of catch? Answer C. Caught. Choose past form of knit. Answer D. Knit. What is the past form of learn? Answer B. Learned. Congratulations! How many did you get right? Comment your score and subscribe.